to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever, we'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed.
So I've been in this for about close to 2 hours. So let's moisturize and seal this hair. Right. It's dry. So because my hair is very hydrated today because I've washed it, I'm not going to do much. I'm going to be using my cream of natural leave-in, right? A liquid leave-in. And then I'll just seal in with my oil. Now, within the week or during this period, every 3 to 4 days, I moisturize my hair. How do I do this? Sometimes I just go in with this leave-in, this liquid leave-in, my oil. That's all. Sometimes, especially if I've postponed the moisturizing and sealing a few days, my scalp is feeling very dry. The hair would be dry as well. So I go in with this rosemary water from Asayam just for the hydration, like the foundation, right? Good. Then this is a moisturizer from Asayam as well. It's very lightweight, very. So that's what I do. And then my oil. That is it. Nothing more. Now, if you have a leave-in like this or another leave-in like this is also a leave-in but lightweight, a little bit runny. So if you have a leave-in like this, then you can just use this, your oil. All right. So that's basically it. If you are in a sew-in or wig, which is something I don't do, but I am sure you can lift up the extension, right, and then hydrate or moisturize the scalp. You don't want to do anything heavy for the hair to smell or get some buildups. If not, and there is a leave out, you don't want to wash that leave out just like you would wash your hair on a regular day. So that's why I said in my previous video that if you are in a protective style that doesn't allow you to care for your hair or give you access to the hair, then don't leave it on for a long time. Okay, I know people who do protective style 2 weeks take it okay, because you can't go beyond 2 weeks without washing your hair. It's not a crime, but ideally you don't have to leave your hair for that long. So that is it. So let's go straight to the points. Just like I said, because my hair is hydrated today, I'm just going to go in with this and nothing too much today. You don't want any build ups, all right? In as much as this is a good thing to do, you need to be very careful so that you don't cause build ups. So I'm going to leave it hanging like this, just so that the air can pass through. I don't want my hair to smell. So that is it. So you can see my scalp, the new growth are popping up, but my scalp is still very clean. So like I said, I'm busy with a few things, so I might leave the braids in for a week or two, and then I'll take it down and we'll see what we'll do. All right, so if this video was helpful, you know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.